Ever dunked a chip so hard into a bowl of salsa that it crumbles? Well, don't blame the salsa. Blame that condiment-carrying vessel, your chip. This common snacking mishap is more than just a fleeting moment of frustration. It's a testament to salsa's irreplaceable role in our culinary lives. After all, what other condiment demands such daring feats of dexterity only to leave us scooping for more? This love affair with salsa isn't something that happened overnight. It's a relationship that's been simmering for centuries, evolving from its humble beginnings with the ancient civilizations of the Americas to become the reigning champion of condiments in kitchens across the United States. So, how did this vibrant, versatile concoction ascend to such lofty heights, outpacing even ketchup in its popularity? Well, to understand salsa's crowning as one of America's favorite condiments, we must dip into its rich history. Tracing as far back as 2000 BC, in the fertile lands of Mesoamerica and the Andes, spanning from the Mayans through the flourishing of the Aztec civilization in the 14th to early 16th centuries, to the expansive Inca Empire reaching its zenith in the early 16th century, salsa likely originated and evolved. Its recipe refined over millennia by these ancient peoples as they combined staple crops like tomatoes, chili peppers, beans, and even squash seeds, embodying centuries of agricultural innovation and cultural exchange. These cultures were the culinary pioneers. But salsa wasn't just about the taste. It was about bringing people together, a tradition that continues every time we gather around a bowl of this zesty condiment. As we delve deeper into salsa's journey from ancient tables to modern-day supermarket shelves, we uncover a story of cultural fusion, innovation, and a testament to the power of fresh ingredients. Enter Bernardino de Sahagún, a Franciscan missionary with a keen eye for detail, documenting the Aztecs' culinary practices in what we now refer to as the Florentine Codex. Thanks to him, we know that some of the main food combinations involved tomatoes, chili peppers, onions, and various spices, though no one was calling this salsa quite yet. The word salsa itself was coined by Alonso de Molina in 1574, forever labeling the spicy delight as salsa. Translated, it means sauce. Fast forward to 1807, and salsa begins to spice up the United States, eventually leading to the creation of commercial salsa in Texas by David and Margaret Pace in 1948. Now, the Pace family is one of those American success stories where David Pace had come back from World War II after serving as a pilot and was looking for direction in his life when he saw a need for a high-quality, ready-made salsa. I know, it's kind of an odd direction after you come back from war, but that's what he did. He began combining ingredients to what is now Pace Picante, and initially selling jars from the trunk of his car. Their picante sauce paved the way for salsa to become a household staple, with Pace still leading the charge after being sold for a spicy $1.1 billion in 1994 to the Campbell Soup Company. So while we may occasionally mourn the loss of a chip to the robust depths of our favorite salsa, let's remember that it's all part of a larger, delicious narrative. A narrative that's about more than just dipping and eating. It's about heritage, evolution, and the unifying power of a great condiment that always keeps us dipping for more. Well, there you have it, a look into one of the most popular condiments in the United States, salsa. What's your favorite salsa? Or better yet, do you make your own salsa? Share in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time, my friends, stay saucy.